Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your project and selecting the clip you want to mute so you can act immediately. You need the waveform visible because that shows the audio you'll remove. Once selected, zoom the timeline to identify the exact section to target. This matters for precision. Make sure the clip is unlocked and not part of a compound clip because that prevents direct audio edits. Now that you're positioned, you're ready to cut or detach audio in the next step. Once the audio is detached, you have choices. Delete the audio track to fully mute or lower its volume for a fade or partial silence. If you need to remove only a section, position the playhead and split both video and audio, then delete or trim the unwanted audio segment. Drag the volume line down to 0 for a non-destructive mute or add keyframes to create gradual fades. Make these edits while playing back to confirm timing and smoothness. Finish by playing the full sequence and watching the waveform to ensure silence where you removed audio. This confirms no bleed or overlap. Export a short test file if you plan to share. Sometimes playback inside Imovie differs from the final file. If you still hear sound, make sure clips aren't linked, check for duplicated audio layers or an applied effect that regenerates sound, and verify your system output and mute settings. One key tip: reattach or re-import the original clip if you need to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.